Welcome to a calm beginning and a steady way forward. Today's affirmation offers a simple guide for how to meet the day. I move through this day with gentle intention. Many days begin with momentum already pulling at you. Tasks, expectations, and decisions stack quickly, creating a sense that you must keep up. In that speed, intention can fade, replaced by reaction. This affirmation brings it back. Gentle intention is not about doing less. It is about doing with care. It means allowing awareness to lead each step instead of urgency. When you move this way, your body stays more relaxed, your mind stays clearer, choices feel more aligned. Gentleness does not weaken intention. It refines it. When you slow just enough to notice where you are, action becomes more meaningful. You respond rather than react. You move forward without pushing yourself past what is needed. As your day unfolds, let this affirmation meet you in moments of hurry. When you feel rushed, pause. When decisions feel tight, soften. Ask yourself what the next step looks like when taken with care rather than pressure. Here's your daily habit for today. Begin one task today slowly and with full attention. Carry these companion affirmations with you. I choose care over urgency, and my actions reflect calm awareness. Thank you for beginning your day with AM. Inspiration and choosing intention over autopilot. May today unfold with steadiness, clarity, and ease. Win the morning, win the day.